Hi, how to do a pan and zoom with Sony Vegas on a movie clip. So here I've got a clip. I'm going to drag and drop it into the timeline. Now I've got a girl actually doing some mixing, so what I want to do, I want to actually zoom in on the mixing bowl. I'll show you how I will do it. So I'll play the clip from start. Let's put it in preview half so it's a little bit quicker. There we go, she's mixing the bowl. So what I want to do is the right mouse on the video track and select video event pan and crop. Okay. So down here are the keyframes for each event in the pan and crop. So at the moment it's full screen. So if I move this along, you see the motion. So say if I want to zoom in at that point, do a gradual zoom in. I get the left mouse on the top corner and I go down like that and I move it across. This square here, this rectangle, is the actual view area. I want to keep it full screen. So I'm going to zoom down all the way down to the bowl here. So it's something like that. So it's that area there. So now, if I play it back, if I close and play it back, see zooming down to that area there. Now the reason why it's got black lines on is a little fault there. Go back in. These two boxes need to be on hold. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go back to widescreen aspect to reset it back. And then I'm going to zoom down to there. So now when I play it back, see it's full screen and it's zooming down to where the ball is, and then it will fix on that because that's the only keyframe there is. So say if I want to zoom back out again afterwards, so right mouse, video event pan and crop, and move it to the point that I want to zoom out to. So I want to zoom out. So if I want to zoom out back to full screen, I can select 16:9 widescreen, and that would take it to the full screen again afterwards. So I'll just play that back. So it's zooming into the bowl. And then it's zooming back out again. Now if I want to keep it on the bowl, what I do, I add another keyframe. So go into pan and crop again. So I want to copy this keyframe. So what I do, right mouse on it, copy, and I put it to wherever I want to be. So hold to and paste. So right mouse and paste. So now it's going to zoom into there and it's going to hold it there and then quickly zoom back out. So close it, I can play it back. It will be smoother once it's rendered. It's now held on that bowl and it quickly zooms out. And with this you can zoom in any part of the screen. And that's it in a nutshell really. That's how to pan and zoom. A really useful tool. Give it a try.